Ever open your closet and feel like you have nothing to wear even though it's packed? That designer bag you splurged on last year? The heels you wore once? Or that dress that's been waiting for its next big moment? They're not just fashion statements. They're hidden assets, waiting to work for you. At Lotstream, we're changing the way you think about your wardrobe. Imagine turning your once-loved pieces into instant earnings, all without the hassle of listing, photographing, or meeting buyers. With our livestream consignment platform, your closet becomes a source of real-time excitement and fast cash. Here's how it works. You send us a curated box of items you're ready to let go of. We handle everything from there, streaming your fashion finds live to thousands of eager buyers. It's like QVC meets Vogue, with the speed and energy of TikTok. You get to watch your items sell in minutes, often for more than traditional consignment rates, and you get paid fast. No more waiting months for your items to sell, no hidden fees. Just a seamless, stylish way to refresh your wardrobe and upgrade your collection guilt-free. Join a growing community of women who are turning clutter into capital. With Lotstream, your closet isn't just storage. It's a revolving door of opportunity. Ready to unlock your closet's true value? Just Lotstream it.